that somebody tells a lie, disrespecting my boundaries, acting like they don't care about me.
You're gonna be as surprised as I am because this wig is absolutely top tier. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots glueless loose deep wave wig. She comes pre-everything, meaning pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut.
Call it out really early, let them know that they just can't hurt me, and pretend like it just didn't happen. Know that if I catch you lacking, keep it moving. I'm not gonna be somebody's backup plan, telling you not asking, don't do that again. Go ahead and leave, but don't come back from it. Listen to me carefully, I'm adamant. Say it with my chest, no, I'm passionate. Waving goodbye while I'm laughing, behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more, gotta do a little more. See this one before, now I'm gonna get more. Gonna have to do a little more, gonna have to do it.
Guys, I'm trying so hard not to relax my hair anymore. We'll see what happens. Good thing we have this beautiful wig. Okay, so that's what the lace is giving. And the good thing about these wigs, they come ready to wear. So if you are short for time and you don't got no time, all you gotta do is just put her on gluelessly and adjust the band and you're good to go. And just like that, you have a new style. You can use the tapes, but we don't need to because this wig is good on my head the way that it is. Taking the hot comb, pressing it in, and then rolling it up, right? So it gives a little bend to the hair. Wow, it recurls very nicely.
This is for the next time that somebody tells a lie, disrespecting my boundaries, acting like they don't care about
The front piece I like to curl away from my face. So I'll curl it away and hold it. If you hold it for a few seconds, then it should hold a better curl.
Telling you not asking, don't do that again. Go ahead and leave, but don't come back from it. Listen to me carefully, I'm adamant. Say
I just want it to be perfect, you know?
Waving goodbye while I'm laughing, behaving like a baby, yeah, you asked for it. You're gonna have to do a little more, gotta do a little more.
Okay, I think we're done now. Did we have to do all of that? No, but I mean, the fact that we did do all of that and this is the results, it's like, are we mad? No.
I said if you don't wanna do it, just don't. I'll make it an easy choice. If I've had it with you, I'll go find someone else who's gonna understand. Someone who doesn't play pretend and show up if I need them. It doesn't have to be so difficult. Yeah, it's just common sense. I'm not gonna be somebody's backup plan, telling you not asking, don't do that again. Go ahead and leave, but don't come back from it. Listen to me.
It just speaks for itself in this simple, elegant, classy bust down middle part. It showcases that big, extra long, extra wide parting space. You can see that it just looks like it's secured down. It fits really well. It's not going anywhere. And again, how beautiful. Now the pre-bleached hairline is chef's kiss. It looks super natural, and that 7x5, you have all the way over here parting space. You can do updos, you can do ponytails. I wanted to just keep it beautiful in the middle part because that's how I like wearing these wigs the most, and that's why I kept it like this. It is soft, silky, buttery, and full. This is absolutely beautiful hair. It does come in like a jet black color, so it looks like it's been dyed already, which I love because I love all black hair. So pretty, and it fits so nicely glueless. Like, you really don't need it secured because the band does a good job, and it's such a nice fitted cap. What I really love about it is when you run your hands through it, you don't feel any tracks. It just feels like it's your hair. It feels like it's your hair, or you gotta sew in. It just fits nicely around the ear tab as well. I would say it holds a pretty good curl because I've been running my hands through it and it's still holding up. I'm gonna link this Unice hair wig in the description box for you. Anyways guys, that is all for today's install and review. Simple, short, and to the point. If you want to purchase, again, it's gonna be in the description box. Don't forget to check that out before you go. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon.